This conference will now be recorded.
Well, welcome back. This is number 12 in our series of training videos. This one is going to be about calculating and sizing our duct system using the manual setting of our open ends, which we find here on the calculation tab. Now, you will recall that we had created a collector using an inline device, and we had placed, in this case, a rectangular connection on that. And over here, we had created a machine, and we had actually put two connections here, and then we had drawn duct and connected the two so that we had a rudimentary system. So now we're simply going to actually run the calculation to have it do this. Now, again, there's two ways. The automatic method we've already covered in a previous session, but this will be the manual. It's going to take the inlet information or the outlet information that we've provided when we built the connection into the machine, and it is then going to use that information to size the duct all the way along the system. It's as simple as this. In manual mode on open ends, we click calculate. It reads that information, and we get, again, a total CFM. We get a fan pressure, and just like before, all of the same information is generated. And what was drawn as a 5-inch has now been upped to a 6-inch based on having a 5 and a 3-inch connection here. Now again, as we look, the connection on our ILD was square or rectangular actually, so we get a what is called a square to round transition there. But using the manual method of open ends calculation is as simple as that. You've loaded the information into your connections here, and that information is what is actually being used in the calculation. So that's it. We've added equipment, machines, and inline devices. We've added connections on both of these, connected those machines. We find actually sized our system using that information. And next, we're going to be talking about editing our bill of materials. As you recall, bill of materials are generated by processing our layout. So tune in next time and we'll look at editing that BOM.